Hello. Good morning. It's Sunday. It's May 11th, 2025. Today is my first day. And yeah, I'm sobered. Hello. I don't know. I'm gonna just roll with it. I wanna be here to help others heal. I've been working with my spirit guides, and I have a couple of intuitive teachers that have encouraged me to put my voice here to help raise the vibration, love, frequency. We're all connected. Everything's energy. So I'm here. We're gonna do this. And it's Mother's Day too. And I'm a mother of two. And yeah, we also have the full moon. The full moon's tonight, and it is the flower moon, and it's a big one. And yeah, so I want to keep it short because, oh, my stomach's hungry. And I just want to see how this goes. So I already shuffled the cards today. I'm going to do a card a day. That's how I'm going to do it. Today, I didn't pick, it popped out. And it's beautiful. And I love this deck. It's by Poesis. Can you guys see? And it's called Visions in Verse. So I'm going to read to you Unknown. Unknown. Every day we practice to hold with joy the uncountable mysteries we cannot know. When we sit in the murky space of the unknown, it takes the courageous heart to get us through. It takes a heart faithful and willing enough to walk through the door of a darkened room and shine a light that never existed before. With conviction as your compass, you can never really go astray. At worst, you'll be served some startling wisdom. At best, you'll be living at the center of a marvelous adventure beyond your wildest imagination. Woo! I love that. It's awesome. Yes, thank you. I'm so grateful for this message today. And yeah, I would love for anyone to share and comment, and please hit like, subscribe, share this space. I would love to see it grow. That would be amazing. And yeah, let's do this one day at a time. And I'm here for you. I want to help in any way I can right now, and my voice is here for you. Have a beautiful day.